Hi guys, Adelia from UPPAbaby. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel and subscribe to us, and we'll continue to do more cars. Today we're going to do an Audi Q5 and do an UPPAbaby Mesa car seat install in the back of an Audi Q5. Stay tuned. One of the first things we want to point out in this Audi Q5 is here are the latch points. And in Audi, they offer covers for these latches. You can notice that they have a little car seat ensemble. All you gotta do is pop this up and remove it, and in there you have the anchor, the ISOFIX anchor. So I'm just gonna take them both out, remove them, put these in the glove box, and come in with the UPPAbaby Mesa. On the UPPAbaby Mesa, the best thing to do is just push the orange button, extend the latch, it's on a strap, install it into the ISOFIX until it clicks. Do the same thing on the other side until it clicks. Once it's in place, the car seat will automatically retract and get it as close up to the seat as possible. If you zoom in here closely, there's a red item there. Stay there and now watch. As I put some force in, it gives me a green. Therefore, this car seat no longer moves. Nice and tight. Awesome.